Gento.
Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your fucking cloud. It be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, bitch I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. Gento.
Basta bingo, gingo, makumpleto parang mo. Hino kayang bubunan, makakita lang ng wala pang hinto, 100% bawat eto kaya mo. Basta makakakita. Okay, science me on!
SB19 Gento fever finally arrives in China. At hindi lang siya basta trending. The Chinese are really going loco over this Filipino song na Gento. At tinatawag na nga ito na Prelude to Domination. Nagsimula ang lahat noong merong nag-cover na Chinese sa Weibo na group na BTS ZD. They have 500,000 followers and they did it so well. At pinag-usapan talaga to at dahil dito so many famous TikTok influencers in China, including actors and actresses, began to post their cover. Kabilang na dito si Xia Guang and SNG48 girl group member. Hindi lang yon, even the university students or college students and even yung mga malls nila are doing their own contest na pinangalan ng Gento Contest or Dance Contest covers. Grabe, kung matatandaan, halos 4 months na ang age ng Gento na song and the fever is still ongoing. This is record-breaking, kaya naman hindi nakapagtataka na umabot na ng billion views ang song na Gento. Alala ko talaga na itong song na Gento na to is an inspired song na na-create or na-come up with ng mga members ng SB19, especially ni Pablo, because it was really given from above. Nung in-interview nga siya, he felt na ito ay guidance from above yung song. Nakikita ko talaga ang laking credit ng faith ni Pablo kay Jesus Christ because they were given a song na Puno talaga ng blessings that one can only imagine kung gaano ka-intense and grabe yung inabot ng song na to. Tatandaan, Pablo and Ken have been very vocal and open in their expression ng faith nila kay Jesus Christ. So, hindi na ako magtataka bakit umabot ng ganitong level ang SB19. Not to mention yung choreographer din nila who did this cover, Dan Steps, is talaga namang napakabuti rin na tao. SB19's name is growing not just in China. Nag-grow na rin siya or nagkakaroon na rin sila ng traction in South Korea, in Thailand, in Indonesia, Malaysia. Nakita nga ako ng mga covers ng SB19 Gento in Nepal. At dahil sa sobrang laki nga ng inabot ng SB19 Gento fever, this will prompt the need for an Asian leg tour. So katatapos nila ng successful concert visit nila in the US, so now, I think they are set to prepare naman an Asian leg tour. Marami lang silang tinatapos na project here in the Philippines together with the brand Dunkin' Donuts. Tatapos kanila ng collaboration concert with Casey Tandigan at nag-viral din yung dance covers. Nakasama na nila si Sandara Park. At eto nga, alam nga natin kung gaano rin ka-successful yung naging public concert ni SB19 Ken sa Singapore. So, grabe, nakaka-proud. Saka, nagpi-pay off talaga yung support ng mga 18. Ngayon, nakikita ko na ang dami-dami ng mga support groups, not just in the Philippines. Yung mga 18, hindi na lang sa Philippines. Hindi na lang sa mga within our country lang. But may nakikita na tayo na 18 China, 18 Mexico, 18 Indonesia, 18 Malaysia. Ito na talaga napigilan at nakakatuwa, no? Kasi dati tayo yung nahihirapan na mag-memorize ng mga songs ng mga favorite nating Korean boy bands and pop groups. And to be able to see dito sa TikTok na yung mga Chinese na and mga ibang lahi na talaga nagpapakahirap na aralin kung paano magtagalog at paano bigkasin yung mga kanta ng SB19 representing our country, it just gives so much happy feels. Pero hindi mawawala yung mga detractors at mga nagsasabi ng mga hindi magagandang bagay sa SB19. Meron talagang mga people who will try to put them down. Pero ganun naman talaga if you are doing or making waves and doing something new at yung tinatawag na revolutionary, ma-expect mo na talaga na merong mga hindi susupport sa'yo along the way. But what is important is right now, merong Pinoy pop group who was really able to get out of the mold. Talagang break out talaga sila. Ini-inspire nila hindi lamang yung bansa natin, but every other country that is being touched by their music. So, congratulations SB19. You are making such a huge and inspiring movement. Magtutuloy-tuloy pa for the years to come, God willing.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone, and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.